Okay, now I proceed for client specific details in birthday software. The client details and listing is slightly different from as from employees. So let me delete existing client first, and later on I will add and take you to the addition module. So as of now we don't have any client in birthday software, so let's add few clients. I am taking a randomly name. I will add in today's date his birthday. Because his category is client, so I will select client from here. Now I will select one of our client, for instance Monte Carlo. Now since I have taken this as a client, so I no more need to upload snap for him, so I will can save information and come back. Now we can see that there is one more category added, which is Monte Carlo, and we have one employee under this. Similarly, we add few more names under this. I select Hitachi. Oh, month was not entered right, so I will fill it again. And since you can see file upload required because the person type is client. Snap loading is mandatory for employees, but it's optional for client. So once I do this, I'm through with this addition. Let me add couple of more clients because I want to show us something interesting for clients. Let's select Radico for him. Today is 30th. Okay, so let me add future dates also in today's context. Say Gen Mobile for him. Oh, I must again this. I have now 4 clients. Let me add one more. I'm sorry for bothering you, but I want to show you something special for clients. These are random names basically, they have no connection with our existing clients. uh, I will say Max Bupa for him. Okay, and I'm through with my data basically for clients. uh, I have specifically added these date of birth for clients as today. Okay, I think date is changed. Let me make it 30th May, which is Monday. So as you can see, there is one birthday for today, which is Mr. Rakesh Kumar, and there is a one birthday on 1st of June and 31st. So these are 2 days which are following today's date, and these are 2 dates which are prior to today's 29th and 28th. So for client, what happens is there is a special provision for clients. we not only capture the current birthday for clients for any day, but also if this day was Monday, so obviously we will capture Saturday, Sunday, and also we capture 2 future days. For instance, because I was requested later after software development that the time buffer for the clients for current date is very less, so there should be a prior information about 2 days back for all the employees whose birthdays is falling after 2 days, so that necessary cakes etc things can be prepared for him. So the birthday software has been put a special provision. For instance, today is 30th. If on 30th any client birthday falls on 30th, so obviously it will be displayed in the wish page. Also, if any client birthday falls on next 2 days, those clients would also be included in today's birthday list. Since this being Monday, so obviously it will also check for the birthdays on last weekend, that is Saturday, Sunday. So we have all these 5 dates now with us: 27, 28, 29, 30, 31st and 1st. So let me show you how for client listing it will look like. Since I have changed the date, so I afraid it will work. Oh, I have to log it out. So let me go inside once again and show you how the client listing behaves. There is a different URL for a client. Since client listing is not necessary for all as employees is, so this URL has been provided to selected peoples. First is Mr. Vasu Gavarsa, second is Mr. Sandeep Handa, Gautam Jana, and to me for testing purpose. So let me show you the URL. Oh, sorry.